Hello, lovelies. This is me again with a short video. Time is 7 o'clock in the morning. I just got up, brushed my teeth, and ready for the breakfast. Look what I have for breakfast. It's raining outside, guys. I have chocolate cake for breakfast. I know it's very crazy, but I love chocolates. I love cakes. I love ice creams. And I'm very lazy to cook today, so I thought I'll have this for my breakfast. Yeah, it sounds so crazy, I know. Look what I have with my cake. I have black cinnamon tea. So it feels like heaven when you have a cup of black tea in the morning when it's raining outside. It's so cold here today, guys. And I'm not feeling well. No, it's not fever, but maybe because of the cold climate, I just feel like going back to sleep. I'm so lazy today. It's a lazy day anyway. What a lazy day for me. I didn't cook my breakfast and I'm having this cake for breakfast. Thanks a lot for watching once again, guys. Yeah, I know that when you watch my channels, it gives me a lot of encouragement and you encourage me to post more videos. So this is my chocolate cake. I don't know much about cakes. I have never baked a cake till now. I know it's a shame, but I've not baked a cake till now. Maybe in future I will take baking classes. I'll attend baking classes and I will learn how to bake a cake like this myself. Yeah, it's one of my dreams. I think I have made pizza about 2-3 times. I made pizza. But cake? No, never. Cake looks so yummy. Am I right, guys? So this cake looks so yummy. Yes. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Stay safe, all of you. Mwah.